Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Phonics Academia online class grade 6 in which we have studied unit number 1 introduction of a set. So students, open your book exercise 1D page number 10. Also open your notebook in which we have discussed finite set and infinite set. So students, you know that what is a finite set? That's the limit of this set is to be described. In which the set limit is to be described is called a finite set. And the limit of the set is not be described. They are to be a continue and limits not be described is known as the infinite sets. So according and follow to the finite and infinite definition, we have to do question number 3 of the exercise 1D. So let's start our exercise question number 3. They say that make the list of the finite set and infinite set. Finite set in which the limits of the set is to be described, and infinite set in which the limits of the sets not be described. Infinite set from the following. So option question number 3 part 1 set of cities of Pakistan. So students, cities of Pakistan. They say that cities of Pakistan, all the cities of Pakistan are included in set. So they define limit. If they say that define the cities of all over the world, so its limits not be defined. But they say that this set of the cities of Pakistan, minimum Pakistan have 100 cities, 90 cities, 80 cities, depend upon the city's name that they are present in Pakistan. So they define the limit. They say that cities of Pakistan. So cities of Pakistan mean all cities of Pakistan included. So it's a finite set because that they say that all cities of Pakistan in which all cities of Pakistan is included, and it's a finite set because they are defined its limits. Next part 4 set of a negative integer. Set of a negative integer. You know that the integers have a negative and positive sign. They say that negative integers. How many integers? 10, 11, 12, 100, 2000. Negative integer. But they say that not describe the limits of negative integer. From to which range to which range? For example, from minus 5 to 14, minus 17 to 29. But this does not describe the negative integers limit. They only say that set of integers of negative integer. You know that counting is a continue, not to be a stroke. So they are not be described the limits of the set. It's mean that it's a infinite set. Part 5 of question number 3, set of the point on a line segment. You know that line segment is a continuous line which have not been described the point, how much points to be given in a line. They are not described the limits of the point, 20 points, 30 points, 50 points. They are only say that set of the points of line segments. So this does not describe the limit of the set. So it means that it's a infinite set. Part 6 set of the vowel English alphabet. You know that vowels is A, E, I, O, U. Vowels of English alphabet, all vowels. If they are 5, for example, the cities of Pakistan have a 40, 60, 30, but all cities. So it means that the set of vowels of English alphabet. You know that vowels has a limit. Cities has a limit. So it's a finite set because that in this set, this limit of the set is to be described. They say that vowels, alphabets of English. So limits to be described as a finite set. Be remember that when we discuss about finite set or infinite set. Finite set are the set in which the limit of the set is to be described, and infinite is a set in which the limit of the set is not described. So all the students do